Welcome to the second episode of the Hongchuan Aerator product showcase. In this session, we are excited to introduce a reliable and efficient partner for agriculture and pond management, the HC280A AC oil-free aeration compressor. This compact yet professional-grade device is specifically designed to address the challenge of low-dissolved oxygen in water environments. The HC280A Aerator runs on 220V single-phase power at a standard 50 Hz frequency, with a power output of 370W. Whether for pond aeration or fish farming, it serves as a dependable underwater breathing engine to effectively increase dissolved oxygen levels and support aquatic health.